నమస్కారం, నేను మాన్సి గులాటి. సయాటికా కి 3 యోగా ఆసనాలు. Sciatica is a condition, pain affecting the back, hip and outer part of your leg, caused by compression of spinal root in your lower back. So it's very difficult, but we can easily cure it by yoga. So today I am going to tell you 5 yoga asana for sciatica. So we'll start. First, meditate your body. That is very important. Close your eyes, relax yourself first. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Always try to sit straight. It is very important. This is all because of inflammation. So we'll do 5 asanas for sciatica that are very easy. So first we'll do cat pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Do it for 10 count. This is the best. It relieves all the pain from your back, from your spinal nerves. We'll do it again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Do it for 15 to 20 counts. That is very important. So we'll do other asana that is also very good for sciatica. So we are going to sit in Padmasana. Padmasana is very good. It relieves all the pain from your outer leg. Chin up. Relax yourself. While sitting in Padmasana, we can chant Om mantra. So we'll do inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Relax. Padmasana is a very good asana for sciatica. Now we'll tell you other asana, Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana is very good. It relieves all the pain from your back. It's very important and very good asana. This asana is also good because blood circulation, the flow of blood is also very important. So it will help you for the blood circulation. It provides more oxygen in your body. First, just lie down in Makarasana. Relax yourself. Now keep your hand here. Side by your chest. Now keep your legs closed. Now come up with inhalation. Relax. Again, Makarasan. Relax yourself. Okay. We'll do again Bhujangasana. Very simple and very easy. Hand nearby your chest. Please don't keep it here. Just nearby your chest. Now very slowly come up. Inhale. Relax. This is very good stretch for your back. All the pain will get released by this. Now just come up. So these 3 asanas are very important for sciatica. Do it every day. Stay healthy, stay happy, do yoga every day.